Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage cybersecurity with Varonis, complete guide step by step clearly.
Start by understanding the fundamental principles of cybersecurity.
Familiarize yourself with the nature of data and information within your organization.
Identify critical assets that require protection. Begin by installing Varonis software on your network. Follow the installation instructions provided in the Varonis setup guide.
Once installed, configure the system according to your organization's data landscape. Use the Varonis data classification engine to categorize and locate sensitive data.
Set up alerts to notify you of any unusual access patterns or potential breaches. Monitor user activity to identify insiders and their behavior. Regularly review access rights to ensure only authorized personnel have permission to sensitive data. Utilize Varonis' automated reporting features to generate compliance reports. Analyze historical data access patterns to detect anomalies. Integrate Varonis with existing security tools for a more comprehensive approach. Conduct a risk assessment to determine vulnerabilities in your data protection strategy. Develop a response plan for potential data breaches or security incidents. Train your staff on the importance of cybersecurity and how to use Varonis effectively. Schedule regular audits to ensure ongoing compliance with cybersecurity best practices. Review and adjust your security protocols based on audit findings and evolving threats. Stay informed about the latest cybersecurity trends and updates from Varonis. Establish a continuous monitoring strategy to strengthen data security over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.